beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we will be doing a Zudio haul. Zudio has earned its fame very fast in the past 1 or 2 years, and it is really viral on social media. People have quickly just accepted Zudio. Everybody is shopping from Zudio, and rightly so, because they have amazing products. They have a lot of lines like clothing line, they have makeup collections, they have shoes, they have bags, they have laundry, bath and body, so much, perfumes. So definitely they are gonna stay. The main highlight of Zudio is that it is quite inexpensive, and you can get really good products. The pricing starts from 30, 40, 49. So that is something I think we all really appreciated and like. Very budget friendly. That's been me yapping for quite a long time. Let's go and see what I have in my Zudio collection. You can see this is what I came up with for today's makeup. Of course, there's a lot of things missing in here. It's either I don't have it or I couldn't find it at the store. Whatever we had, we did our face with that. Also, one thing before we move into the video is that you don't need a lot of products. A few products in your vanity and you are good to go. I have literally just used 4 to 5 products for this look. I've used the lipstick for eyeshadow, my blush, and my lips, of course. Anyway, let's get on to the video and see what we have in store. So I have like a bunch of Zudio makeup right here. It is not a lot, like there's so much that Zudio has come out with, but these are something that I have. I've collected these over a period of time. So let's see what all we got here. First product has to be this. It is the Zudio Wet Wipe. It is in the aloe vera fragrance variant. It is in the aloe vera variant, and I've used this in my previous videos, so I'm not going to use this today. I've already gone ahead and put my moisturizer and everything, done my skincare, because there was no skincare. I didn't really see a primer. I'm not even sure if they have it. But for the first thing, for our base, we have this. It is a Zudio Glow Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. When I tried this at the Zudio store, it felt like okay. This was the only shade that was available. So I don't know if they do have more shades or not, but this works for my skin, so good to go. So it says it is enriched with the goodness of vitamin C and adds a natural glow. Okay, let's try. Let's put that to the test. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit right here. Apply that on my face. It is a moisturizer, tinted moisturizer. Use my fingers on this side and then just see how it works with a brush. Oh no, wait, I also have this. This is the beauty sponge by Zudio. So let's just try this, right? Use a beauty sponge on the other side. I think it did a great job on both the sides. But you can also use your finger just to use it like a moisturizer, and you can also use a beauty sponge. Depends on your comfort. I think it does add a glow as they promised. I mean, the name is Glow, so I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if you like it. I was going to use the rest of, don't want to waste that. Also, another thing that I would like to mention is that you don't have to use a lot of the product. It's just like one tiny pump is good enough. Unfortunately, I did not find any concealer. Let me know if they also have concealers. We have to make do with the moisturizer, tinted moisturizer. The base is done. I also forgot to mention these two. I mean, it comes in a set along with a small Chotu Sa lipstick, bullet lipstick. And these are the lip scrub and lip balm. It is in the black currant variant. So there is the exfoliating lip scrub and the hydrating lip balm. Okay, so let's trying the lip scrub. Okay, it has very tiny particles, so that's good. Smells okay. No, I don't like the smell. Like, no. The lip balm, not bad. So the next product that I have is the Zudio Eye Shan in the shade Champagne, and it retails 199 rupees. Let's see how this is. Honestly, initially I thought that this was going to be like a tube kind of thing, but it does have like a wand in this. Okay, there's a wand right here. Let's try and apply this on the eyelids and see if it works. Oh, it dries up really quickly, so that's a problem. I mean, if it can work fast, then good enough. Like, not very impressive. Let's try a few more coats and see. I think you have to really build it up for that look. So what I would suggest is take little and then just blend it, build it up. Don't take a lot of product at once, because then it'll be very difficult to work with this. It is very tacky. Yeah, it looks good. Eventually it looks good. I have more products for the eyes, but before that we have Bullet lipstick here. The shade is Oh So Nude. It's a very nice brown, nude brown shade. But before we try this on our lips, I do make a shadow. Will it work? Will it not? Okay, I think it is looking pretty good. Not to lie, it's looking pretty nice. What do we have next? Okay, that does look good. Okay, for the next we have these. These are the Studio. So next are these Zudio Kohl's Kajal. One is in the brown shade and the other one is a black shade. Let's go ahead and use this. So let's swatch this for you. It is very nice. Let's use this on the lower waterline. This one is the brown shade. It's like very, very, very subtle. So it's not too overpowering like a black gold would do. Like your eyes would really stand out. But this one really is very subtle, and I think I like that look. So definitely a pass. We have an eyeliner. This is in the shade black. You know what? When I first got this, actually my sister gave me this. First I thought this is the one and then this is the body. Turns out it's the opposite. This is the one and this is the main body. And because this portion, the wand portion, is so long, it's really easy to, you know, draw the liner. If you had this, it would have been very difficult. So clap clap for the packaging. I think my face is looking too shiny. कुछ ज़्यादा ही shiny लग रहा है. But okay, let's try the eyeliner. Okay. This is going to be difficult, okay? Okay, wow. I have never been able to hold my mirror and do this, but it was very easy to do with this, so 5 out of 5. What do we have next? So I was thinking to use this as my lip liner because there is no lip liner. Kuch zyada hi. Oh my god, is that too dark? Yes, it is. Applying that lipstick, the same lipstick that we used for the eyeshadow. I don't know why, but this is so grainy. Like, it's not smooth, it's very grainy. But anyway, we've got another lip gloss here. It is the Juicy Lip Balm and it's called Plump Cocoa Delight. Okay, I am pretty happy with this one. Okay, so the lips look juicy lip balm. It is a juicy lip balm, so it does the job pretty well. I like it. It is kind of tingling a little bit, so I think it's working. This one is so ekdam I don't know, I don't really like this one because the shade doesn't match me, but that is not the reason, it's personal. However, apart from that, like, it is so greeny. Like, what is the reason for it to be so greeny? Like, it should be smooth. The bullet lipstick should be smooth, not working. Alright, let's make some use of it. We will use this as a blush. It's a nice brown warm tone, so it should be good. I also have these two lip glosses that retail for $149 each. These are really nice too. So that is it for today's Zudio haul. This is a final look. I've done the entire face using just Zudio makeup. Zudio has an amazing makeup collection, but I love this Juicy lip balm. It is really nice, so definitely one of the products that I would recommend you to go and purchase. Damn good, trust me, it says Juicy lip balm. Yes baby. I also really like this, the Zudio Eye Shine, the champagne variant. Although you really have to work your way, build it up, and it has to be very fast. Like, once you apply it, you have to work on it. You cannot really apply it on both your eyes and just like aram se do blend. You cannot do that. So definitely a good product, but you really have to be fast. I also like the eyeliner because of the packaging. The packaging is really nice and well thought of. And apart from all of this, I absolutely love the beauty blender. You can feel the quality. It's not like not those cheap beauty blenders. Trust me, I have seen beauty blenders that if you squeeze it, it'll actually like take the shape of your fingers. It can be well compared to some very nice branded beauty sponges in the market. So if you were looking to buy a new beauty sponge, you can definitely run to Zudio. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it because I did. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, you know the drill, and let me know in the comment section if you liked it. What was your favorite Zudio product? Until next time, see you.